Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by establishing a clear baseline. Schedule a comprehensive eye exam and record your prescription and visual acuity. Once done, log your daily screen time and work lighting so you can change what matters. Start the first interventions now. Implement the 20-20-20 rule, increase blink frequency, and correct posture at the workstation. These steps are immediate and measurable. They reduce strain and give you the data to track progress over weeks, so make sure to note results and stay consistent. You now move into targeted interventions that change physiology. Have your prescription optimized and confirm contact fit or lens type. Then add guided vision therapy, convergence drills, tracking exercises, and accommodation work to retrain control muscles. Make environmental tweaks in parallel. Reduce glare, boost contrast, use a consistent 0.5 reading distance, and set monitor at proper height. These combined actions reinforce each other. Keep a therapy log so you can adjust difficulty and frequency. You finish by locking in a sustainable maintenance plan. Continue daily exercises, review metrics monthly, and keep annual comprehensive exams. Use corrective adjuncts as needed, anti-reflective coatings, blue light filters, or prism additions to stabilize function. If progress stalls or pain, double-check tear film and eyelid health and escalate to a specialist for advanced treatment options such as prescription drops or procedural evaluation. As a troubleshooting tip, if vision fluctuates or headaches persist, pause training, document symptoms, and seek urgent professional reassessment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.